Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a WordPress website using AI website builder. So first of all you can go here and you can select a domain and hosting. So basically domain will be your website name. Just you can go here and search for your domain name. So make sure that you have added a unique domain. For example, enable website market, and click on continue button, and after that here you can see you will get different domains. So you can uncheck domain privacy, and then here you can see you need to pay $13 to get this domain, and after that you need to get a hosting package. Let me show you how you can get that. Just you can go here and you can select a hosting package. Here you can see you can add 10 websites in this hosting package. Just you can go here and select this one, and after that here you can add domain. Just let me add enable website market. Then here you can select your existing domain, and after that click here search for domain. So now you can check out and add a payment method. After getting it, now let me go and log in into my web hosting account. So currently I'm using HostGator web hosting. And now after getting domain and hosting, the next step is you need to install a WordPress. To do that you just can go into cPanel. Just you can click on web hosting in your Bluehost account, and after that you can scroll down and you will find this one, cPanel. If you don't know how to install WordPress, then you can go live chat and ask them, please install WordPress for me. So this support team will install WordPress for you. And if you want to do it yourself, just you can go here, and after that you will find app installer. Then scroll down, click on install button, and here you will see your website name. Then after that here you can select HTTP. Then scroll down, here you can add username and password, email. So all of these details will be used to log in your WordPress website, and then click on install button to install WordPress. So let me show you my domains. So these are basically subdomains and already installed WordPress. Now let me log in. And now I will be redirected to WordPress dashboard. Here we need to install some plugins and a free theme. Now let me go here and install a theme. Then click on add new theme button. So you can also click on WordPress.org themes. And here you can search any theme with just a keyword. For example, I want to install Astra theme. Scroll down and you can preview this theme as well as you can install. Then click on activate. Now we need to install plugins. So you can go here and click on add new plugin. Scroll down. Here you can search for Elementor. Scroll down. And here you can see 10 million plus active installation. So just you can go here and install it. And after that activate it. Now we need to add one more plugin. You can type here Astra. Scroll down and here you can see this one, 2 million plus active installations with 5-star rating for Astra Starter Templates plugin. So plugin is installed. Let me reload this plugin. Now you can just click here Starter Templates. And here you will get different options. So you can use AI website builder as well as you can select the starter templates. So just you can go here and choose pre-built templates. So to create a website using AI website builder, you can select this option. And here you can add website name or title. For example, enable website design is a web design and digital marketing agency. And here you can select. Here you can see these are the different categories that you can select for different businesses. Just you can select agency, then click on next button. And here again we can type this one, then click on improve using AI. So it will generate all the content. Then after that click on next button. And here you can add email. So let me add here. Then add phone number. Then address. Then click on next button. Scroll down. And here you can select different images. So let me select. After that again click on next button. Now here you can select page builder. So at this time I need to select this one, Elementor. And here you can see it is generating a preview. So you will get different designs and you need to select one of these. So I think this one is okay. Then here you can add logo. So just you can go here and select. So let me add it just for random. And here you can see logo is added in website. You can select font family as well as color scheme. Then click on continue button. And here you can select the features that you want in your website. For example, if you want to add contact form, and here you can see it is selected by default. So these are the additional options that you want to add. Then click on start building. So you can also click on skip option. So now you can create a free zip WP account, and it is just one click process. Now simply click here sign up with Google. Click on continue button, and now you will be redirected back to the website. Scroll down, then click on skip and start building. And here you can see website is in progress. So guys, here you can see website is ready. Just you can go and visit your website. So guys, you can see how fast you can create a website using AI. Now if you want to change anything on this page, just you can go edit with Elementor. And Elementor is a powerful page builder that you can easily create and design any type of website on WordPress platform. And it will take few seconds. After that you will be able to edit any of the page in your website. So now you can click on any of the text, and here you can add your own text, and after that click on the publish button. And also if you want to change images, just you can click on image, and then you can upload any of the image file from your laptop, then click on publish button. Now you can go in the dashboard, and here you can see you can go in pages as well as media and forms to edit a contact form. So in this way you can easily create a website using AI website builder.